Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Grant the bot manage messages, create invites, and read history so it can track entries. Once permissions are set, define prizes, clear rules, and entry method, react, comment, or external form, because clarity prevents disputes. Next, choose the giveaway channel, set any role or country restrictions, and schedule an end time in the proper time zone so the bot's timer aligns with your audience. Now you configure and launch. Use the bot command pattern, for example. Giveaway start 24H1 Discord Nitro, and include exclusions or bonus entry flags as needed. Once running, monitor live entries and the bot's reaction collector to ensure users are counted. If you require verification or extra actions for bonus entries, add those options now. The bot will track them. Make sure to pin the giveaway post and enable automatic. When time's up, end the giveaway with the bot command, for example. Giveaway end, and then verify the winner list before announcing to avoid errors. Once confirmed, announce winners and distribute prizes immediately. Export logs or screenshots for record keeping. If something goes wrong, like no winners or the bot offline, check permissions, bot token, and privileged intents, then rerun a selection with giveaway reroll. If problems persist, restart the bot process or re-invite with correct scopes.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.